Okay, YouTube, I'm back at this tree with the aphids infestation, and I do see some ladybugs. I'm not sure which stage of growth they are in, but it's not many aphids really left, except for this leaf right here. Look at that. I'm not going to bother them because of the ladybugs that are out here gorging. Here's 3 right here. I don't know if you can see them, but that's what you want if you got aphids. Alright. I'm not going to mess with you. The other day I saw maybe about 5 or 6 aphids on this tree. Well, I'm sorry, ladybugs. And I was about to spray a squirrel. I decided not to because I'm going to let these guys do their job. Okay, ladybugs at work. Get it girls.